After exploring the basic and advanced columns, we're now going to delve into premium column types. These powerful tools offer cutting-edge features that can significantly enhance your data operations. Let's jump into the world of Retable's premium offerings. The QR code column transforms your data into actionable QR codes, seamlessly integrating digital convenience into your tables. Enter a URL, phone number, email, WhatsApp, or Skype link, and Retable will generate scannable QR codes. You can change the color, add a background color, and make it unique for yourself. Leverage the power of AI with the GPT column. Incorporate OpenAI's ChatGPT responses into your table by setting up prompts that utilize your data as variables. This integration enables you to obtain ChatGPT outputs for thousands of rows with a single prompt. Just paste your OpenAI key and write your prompt in the cell. ChatGPT will answer you in your row. Facilitate decision-making with the vote column, which streamlines consensus building directly within your spreadsheet. It's a simple and democratic way to gather team input. The rich text column brings document editing capabilities to your data table, complete with text formatting features such as bold, italics, headings, and lists. With the premium column types now at your fingertips, you're equipped to tackle complex data tasks with Retable. From generating QR codes to harnessing the power of GPT and facilitating team decisions, your spreadsheets can be more dynamic and interactive than ever. Retable's diverse column types stand ready to elevate your data management, ensuring every project is as dynamic as it is intuitive.